Now in this one there are some 9 persons seated around a circular table, some inward and some outward. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 persons. And C sits adjacent to A, C and E are adjacent to each other. And A faces the same direction as B, A and B are facing the same direction. And one person between E and G. Now in between E and G, how many persons are there? There is exactly one. And both E and G face opposite directions. E and G faces opposite directions. And next one, and J sits out to the left of E, who faces the center. Now we have gotten information regarding this E, and E is facing towards the center, and J sits out to the left of E. And J sits out to the left of E, and there is exactly one person between E and G. G can be the left hand side or right hand side. Now between E and G there must be exactly one. And E and G are not facing the same direction. E is towards the center, G will be away from the center. And here again, now 9 persons, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now in this one, E is facing towards the center, and then J is at this place. Now G is at this place. Now E is facing towards the center, G is away from the center. And E and G. And next one, E sits second to the right of C. E is seated second to the right of C. C is here, C is away from the center. Now E sits second to the right of C. C is here, and E sits second to the right of C. Then in this case, A and C are adjacent to each other. And which two persons are adjacent to each other? A and C are adjacent to each other. My under the first information. And C sits adjacent to A. Now C sits adjacent to A, and A can be here or A can be here. Now in this case, A must be at this place, and C sits adjacent to E. Then what is the next information we have? And C sits adjacent to A, and J sits out to the left of E. E faces the center. E is seated second to the right of C, and only one person between A and H. Now in between A and H there must be exactly one person. H is at this place. Now in this case, now A and H there must be exactly one person. A and H one person, and both A and H and face opposite direction, and A and H are facing opposite direction, and F sits to the immediate left of H. F is to the immediate left of H. Now in this case, F is to the immediate left of H is not possible. Are you getting this one or not? Hence A and this case is ruled out. Now we have left with this one. Now in this case, can you take A at this place? Let us take the possibilities now. Now if you take A at this place, the other possibility A can be here. Now if A is here, now in between A and H there must be A and C are adjacent, that is fine. And one person between A and H, and F sits to the immediate left of H, and H is here, F is here. And F is to the immediate left of H, H must be away from the center. And A and H are not facing the same direction. Now H is away, hence A must be towards the center. Then, and F sits second to the left of H, and F sits to the immediate left of H. D and J face opposite direction. Now D and J are opposite, and B sits second to the right of J. Now B is seated second to the right of J, B is here. Now seated second to the right of J, B is here. Then who is the person after D? J and D are opposite, J is towards the center, D is away from the center. And B sits second, D sits to the immediate right of F. D is to the immediate right of F, F is here. Now if F is here, A and B are facing the same direction, A is center, B is also center. Then, now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. Then next one 6 to 10. Now in this question number 6 to 10, they are based on inequalities K and H. Now between K and H, K H K is here, H is here. Now between K and H, opposite symbol. Then K and H equals to F undi kada, hence F is here. And K greater than or equals to F or lesser than or equals to F, either one not. Then, and question number 7. Now in this 7th one, M equals to V. M equals to V is false. M is lesser than or equals to V but not equals to. Then next one, R and P. Now between R and P, two opposite symbols, so no relation. Hence neither one not two, choice 4. Then next one, question number 8. Now in the 8th one, now R and D. Now R is here, D is here. Now two opposite symbols, W and G. Now G greater than W, W lesser than G, definitely 2, only 2, choice 2, question number 8. Then next ninth one, and P and T. Now between P and T, P lesser than T, definitely 2. And W and U, W greater than or equals to U, definitely 2. Hence both 1 and 2, that is choice for question number 9. And 10th one, K and A. A is here, K is here. Between A and K, A greater than K, K lesser than. D and G. Now between D and G, opposite symbol, no relation can be drawn. Hence only one, that is choice 1, question number 10. Then 11 onwards. Now in this question number 11 to 15, then 11 to 15, what is information we have? And 8 boxes are there. And they are kept in a stack one above the other, isn't it? And one above the other, then, and they are kept one above the other. And 3 boxes between T and R. Now in between T and R, how many boxes are there? And there must be exactly 3 boxes between T and R. Now here also, and 3 boxes between T and R. And there are 3 boxes between T and R. T is kept immediately above V. T is immediately above V. T is immediately above V. Then, now in this one there are 6 boxes covered. Here there are only 5 boxes. And 3 boxes between T and R. T is kept in 2 boxes between S and Q. Now in between S and Q, how many boxes? Exactly 2. Now S and Q, there must be exactly 2 boxes here. S is kept 4 boxes above U. Now S is kept 4 boxes above U. 1, 2, 3, U is. Almost certain, no? S is kept. Then between S and Q, how many boxes are there? Now if you take Q at this place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes were covered here. Isn't it? Now దీంతో start చేద్దాం because all the boxes were there here. Order is given. Now if Q is here, then there are 2 blanks. S is here. Then 1, 2, 3. No U is at this place. Now S and Q there are 2. 8 boxes. 3 boxes are kept between T and R. And T and R 3 boxes. And T is kept immediately above. Now sir, R, T and V must be like this. R, T and V. R, T and V must be like this. Then tell me, can we have this R at this place? Now R ikkada pettochu leda R. If R is here 1, 2, 3, then T is here, V will be here. Saripena? Then S and Q there are 2 and 3 boxes between T and R. Saripena. 3 boxes and T is kept immediately above this V and 2 boxes are in between S and Q and S is kept 4 boxes above U and 2 boxes between R and W. Now in between R and W there must be exactly 2 boxes. W is here. Then W is kept below S, that is fine. P is not kept above Q, P is below. Now this is the final arrangement we have. And QR, PS, W, TVU. Then దీని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఇంకా 3 వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. నా ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి ఇంకో 2 మిగిలాయి. కనుక మనకి ఇక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. కనుక దాని నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి 11 to 15. Then 16 onwards. Now coming to question number 16. Only a few mangoes are papayas. Only some mangoes are papayas but not all. Only some mangoes are papayas but not all. And these are the mangoes that are papayas. Only some but not all. And next one, all these papayas are oranges. Now this entire papaya is orange and all oranges are kiwis. This entire orange is kiwi. Then some oranges are mangoes, that is definitely true. Some oranges are not mangoes, that is true. If also into all oranges are mangoes. All oranges are mangoes. Now we can able to write all oranges are mangoes like. Then also this entire mango is not a part of this papaya. Hence alternate diagram to previous conclusion false. Hence what is your answer? Only one. Only one, choice 1, question number 16. Then the next one, 17th one. Some pens are papers. Now some pens or papers can be written as. Now these are the pens that are papers, pen and a paper. And some pens are papers, only a few papers are books. Only some papers are books but not all. And all these books are what? This entire book is a part of this table. And some tables are papers, definitely true. All pens can be books. All pens can be books. Now tell me whether I can able to write pen like this or not. Yes. Hence both 1 and 2, that is choice for question number 17. The next one, 18th one. All apples are kiwis. These are the apples that are kiwis. And only a few kiwis are grapes. Only some kiwis are grapes but not all. Then next one. No apple is banana. No intersection between apple and a banana. Then some kiwis are not bananas, that is true. Now to make this one false, I need to prove all kiwis are bananas. Now all kiwis are bananas and the diagram are here. Can you draw like this banana? No. Hence alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. The next one, all grapes are apples. That is false. And so only one choice for 18th one. Then 19th one. Now if it is possible to make a meaningful word with. Meaningful word with 1679. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7, 9. Now G and T. S, G and T, any word that can be formed? Huh? G, E and T, gent. Isn't it? Now, gent is the word that can be formed. Then what is your answer here? Which are the following the third letters are formed from the left hand? Third from the left, that is N is the answer. Ma meeku vere answer vastundo? T. Why it is T? What is the word we have? No? No. First option కాదు. ఇక word మీకు ఏం వస్తుంది? Word. Gent is the word in this one. N should be the third. Okay, or second from the left hand side arena circle. Okay. Then 20th. Now in this question number 20. Now how many such pairs are there? Now how many such pairs are there? 9, 4, 7, 5. 9, 4, 7, 5, 3, 6, 8. Now in this one, 9, 4, 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 8. And 3, 4. And 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? Now anything 7, 9. And so many pairs? 2 pairs. Choice the question number 20.